దివ్య పైన ప్యాడ్ ఉందమ్మా, పింక్ కలర్ ప్యాడ్. పిల్లర్ కానిచ్చి ఉండొచ్చు. క్వశ్చన్స్ కదా. Can you say strong acids names?
H2SO4, HCl, HNO.
Strong bases.
NaOH, AOH, calcium hydroxide.
Only strong acid is sodium hydroxide.
It is strong base, ma'am.
Sorry, strong base. Remaining are strong weak bases. It is also weak. CaOH taken twice, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Can you say weak acid?
Acetic acid, citric acid, methylenic acid. All these are weak acids.
What are olfactory indicators?
These indicators, with the help of these indicators, we can classify acids or bases by their smell,
This odor changes in acidic or basic medium. Should we use the word odor? Odor changes. How do the acids and bases react with metals?
When example, let us take metal sodium. When it reacts with acid, it forms NaCl, which is salt, and release hydrogen gas.
Physical states also you write. HCl is a metal.
Aqueous.
Is it a metal? HCl is a metal.
Acid.
I asked you to write when metals and metals react with acids.
Metal when react with acid.
What about base?
From sodium sulfate and hydrogen. It releases hydrogen gas.
So check the sodium zincate formula. Don't keep 2 here. Sodium zincate. Na2, 2Na, zinc 1 oxygen. When you are showing gas means you should show upwards. Is it a liquid? How do metal carbonates react with hydrogen carbonates?
Metal carbonates with
Hydrogen carbonates. Metal carbonates
metal carbonates
react with hydrogen carbonates. Huh. Metal carbonates with acids. Sorry.
release salt plus carbon dioxide plus water.
Write the physical states for each and every reaction.
Moist carbon dioxide or
Carbon dioxide will release as gas. The carbonates and bicarbonates. Is it balanced?
not is balanced.
What about bicarbonates with acids?
Same products are
You have any doubts, Tanish, Manish, Divya? No doubts, sir. If you want any explanation, you can come. Okay. Tanish, if you get any doubts, you should come. What about you, Manish? Get your Telugu notebook. I will give some dictation words. Otherwise, give textbook. No. No. When you pass this carbon dioxide, which is above through the water, with carbon dioxide gas, which is lime water. Lime water. Did not bring a through lime water. Write the physical states also. If you pass excess carbon dioxide through same lime water you send, no? Through the calcium carbonate. Here in this, you are passing again too much carbon dioxide.
Calcium and
Hmm? Limited amount of carbon dioxide leads to carbonates. Excess, if you pass, it will convert into bicarbonates. Bicarbonates means
But hydrogen gas is not.
no. This is which is soluble in water. Which is soluble in water. Here carbon dioxide again will not evolve.
It is soluble in water.
Here water is also there, no? Right, water also. You are crossing through this products excess of again, not limited. You are passing this one. Initially it formed this product. Again you are passing excess of carbon dioxide through it. Those which are formed here, it will convert into bicarbonates, which is soluble. This is insoluble. You will see as white precipitate in the test tube. Again, if you pass excess of carbon dioxide, that insoluble product will convert into bicarbonate. Then you will see the transparent. We can do next time. I will get the products, this reactants. I will do it experimentally here. These are not harmful actually. Diluted, let's see if we can do it. All these are limestone, chalk, marble, all these forms are calcium carbonates. Okay. All metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates react with water to give the corresponding salts and carbon. Yes, remember this one. In general, we can write metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates. When they react with acids, they form the salt, water and carbon dioxide. Any carbonate will evolve the carbon dioxide. You remember, that is the product, main product. Okay. How do the acids react with each other bases? Acids and bases react. What will be the products?
They form salt and water, which is neutralization reaction.
Can you write the reaction? Write the physical states only. Reaction of metallic oxides with acids.
Salt plus water.
When you add copper oxide, okay, and you dilute hydrochloric acid, same that only. Calcium oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid. What color of solution will you observe?
With
Huh?
initially copper oxide is blue color. Sorry.
It is not calcium oxide, copper oxide.
oxide.
Metal, it is calcium. Metal oxide, I am telling.
Calcium is also metal.
Uh, Copper usually we take, no? Copper. Here you took correct. Which color do you observe?
Salt.
Which color do you observe? That is blue-green color of the solution. It is actually copper is in the state of +2 due to the copper +2. Remember this one. They may ask as MCQ. Okay, blue-green. What is the state of the copper in this?
State.
Oxidation state.
+2.
How can you say that it is a +2? How can you say that it is a +2? Copper can form Cu plus and Cu +2. It is cupric, it is cuprous, as lower oxidation states compound. We should tell as cuprous, higher oxidation states cupric. So Cu +2 is there. That is why it is taking 2 chlorines. Remember that one. Can you write with base?
Base.
Here you have taken acid, na? Base.
But bases react with only non-metallic oxides. Bases react with only non-metallic oxides.
Metal oxides actually, metal oxides react with acids to give salts and water. Base, similar the reaction of a base with an acid. It is said to be metallic oxides, basic oxides. Metallic oxides, they react with the acids. What they are giving? Salt. This is salt. And water they are giving. Similar to the reaction of a base.
Metal oxide plus base. But metal oxides, they don't react with base.
With the base with an acid. Metallic oxides are said to be basic oxides. Definitely question come from this only. Like how the base react with acid. It is acid, no? So this metallic oxide is in basic in nature. How an acid is giving acid and where is that reaction?
Acid plus base.
Acid and base, when they react, they are giving salt plus water, no? Likewise.
Similarly, metallic oxides will also react with bases.
Not react with bases. Acid and base both are reacting and giving salt plus water. Same, similarly like that only. Metallic oxides, whatever they are there, they are in basic nature. That is why when they react with the acid, they are forming salt plus water. Meaning of that sentence is this. Product are salt plus water, no? Here this is acid. Obviously this will be the basic in nature. So you can say that all metallic oxides are in basic in nature. That you remember.
That is why they are forming salt and water as neutralization.
Yes, that's it. Now write the reaction with the non-metallic oxides with base. You are saying correct. Metallic oxides don't react with the base because both are in nature basic only.
Non-metallic oxides
With base. This is same vice versa. Non-metallic oxides you write now. Already we have seen this reaction. Non-metallic oxides I am saying. It is not metal. Oxide, non-metallic oxides. It is not a non-metallic oxide, it is metallic oxide.
But it is amphoteric oxide. It can react with both acids and as well as base.
It will react, but purely we are taking here non-metallic, no? We are not taking amphoteric. Non-metallic oxides. Non-metals you can think in your mind, that is carbon. Non-metal is a carbon.
What?
You need not to take any strong bases. You can take already carbon dioxide which is passed through the lime water. This is best example, no? Why are you getting confused? In the textbook, whatever it is there, you can think on that. This is bountiful forest.
Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Acid plus base, salt plus water.
So, when same, this is base, we know that one. They are giving the salt plus water. So obviously, we can conclude that this is in acidic in nature. All non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. When they are reacting with the bases. Hmm? Which gas is usually liberated when acid react with a metal?
Hydrogen.
Illustrate when whenever you wrote that one. How will you test the presence of this gas? How will you test?
When we bring a matchstick where the gas is evolving, it gives a pop sound.
Why should curd and sour substances not to be kept in brass and copper vessels? Sour taste means
Acid.
huh?
Acid. They are acidic in nature.
Acidic in nature.
Copper.
Copper is
Basically.
metallic, metallic oxide, right? So when they are bring together, this acidic nature of what is that one, curd, any salt substances will react with the which are basic in nature. Who is in basic in nature?
Copper
Uh, copper, brass. They both react and will form the salts which are harmful to our body. Right? So, metal compound A reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay. A is reacting with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce the effervescences. Effervescences. It's like a fog type of effervescence you are getting. The gas evolved extinguishes to burning candle. Write a balanced chemical reaction. For the reaction, if one of the compounds formed is calcium chloride. Calcium chloride reacting.
Metal A is calcium. It releases hydrogen gas.
What do all acids and all bases will have a common in them?
Both acids and bases are good conductors of electricity. Acids and bases are good conductors of electricity.
Mainly we are seeing the evaluation of hydrogen gas. No? All acids generate hydrogen gas and reacting with the metals. If you take the nail which is dipped in hydrochloric acid, which gas will be evolved?
Hydrogen gas. If you take iron nail, it is metal.
When you dip iron nails in the beaker, if you connect through a battery, 6-volt battery, so will the bulb glow?
Yes, ma'am.
What is happening there?
Because we have taken hydrochloric acid, which is good conductor of electricity, it allows the bulb to glow.
You should not convey that like that. Should not convey like that. HCl as it is acid. Okay. We are taking dilute HCl. No? So you are connecting the two nails through a battery. It will form the iron chloride and it will evolve with the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen, not evaluation of hydrogen gas here will happen. Flow of the H plus ions will occur.
Flow of
Okay.
electricity.
Electrons. Flow of the electrons is nothing but current. Current. That is why that bulb will glow. Here HCl is releasing the H plus ions. Right. Will the bulb, if you take instead of HCl, if you take the base, will the bulb glow?
Yes.
In the case of
also
bases.
release OH minus ions.
Huh?
Base also release OH minus ions.
If you take in that case glucose and alcohol, in that case,
No, like
they don't conduct the
electricity. Carbon compounds are generally poor conductors of electricity.
in H2SO4, write down the compounds. In H2SO4, HNO3, CH3COOH, and HCl. Can you write the ions? Australia. What are the ions?
HCl.
What are the ions present in that? Hydrogen is only one number. How can it lose 2 electrons? It is acid, no. Acid will release OH minus ions. Acid release OH minus ions. What are the other ions?
SO4. In the SO4.
Write that ions also.
Minus 2.
This is gross. In H2SO4, this is correct. Here plus means here minus you will get. H plus minus. Here H already you removed. H already you removed, H plus. What is left in this? CH3COO minus. In the HCl, Cl minus. These are the ions. Okay. When you add water to this, they dissociate into these ions. One is cation, another one is anion. quantitative dexterity. 27. You go for bio revision. Did you finish night full chapter?
Yes.
This full chapter. You are thorough with this compounds also. Yeah, I will test once. You started metals and metals. Do. Yes, finish.
Ma'am, today is 16 or 17.
70. Divya, did you finish Amma? Portion. You are revising now. Give me the pen. Get correction from Sir Manish. Tanish, get it fast. You revise fast on the bio. I think you don't need any help in the bio chapters. But you need to revise it. But I will ask questions once if you finish the portion. I will ask questions. We will be doing the sample papers. Will you go to home and come back?
Very well.